Today we will focus on describing characters. We can describe characters using character traits. External character traits are traits that you can see and use to describe what a character looks like. Here are the directions to complete today's assignment. First, log into RazKids by either going to the website or opening the app. Then, once you're logged in, pick a fiction book on your level and read independently for 35 minutes. If you are finished reading your book before the 35 minutes are up, please choose another just right book and continue reading. While you are reading, think about the external character traits of the main character. After 35 minutes have passed, please go back to Google Classrooms. Go to Classwork and click on the Reading Workshop post. In the comments box, please write a few sentences with the external character traits of your main character. Make sure to include the title, author, and your character's name. When you are finished, please post your answer so I can see it. Here's my example for you. In my book, Tiger Rising by Kate DiCamillo, the main character's name is Rob Horton. He is a 12-year-old boy with brown eyes and brown hair. He has a rash on his legs which he thinks will never go away. As you can see, I listed Rob's external character traits. Remember, external character traits are traits that you can see and use to describe what a character looks like. In the book Tiger Rising, we read that Rob has a rash on his legs. Even though the book did not have a picture of Rob, we can imagine that if he was right in front of us, we would be able to see the rash as well. I can't wait to read your responses.